Good afternoon, Akshat. How are you?
Good.
So, which exam did you give today?
I did VORT exam in Port Adelaide.
Okay. And how did you feel with the exam?
It was good. A bit nervous at start, but relieved at the end.
Okay. And how did you feel with instructor Bhavnesh at KAR Skillz since the beginning, the first lesson?
It was really good. He was very helpful.
And what are the specific things you will like to mention that helped you a lot with improving your skills for meeting the test?
I got to experience lots of situations in my
Yes.
lesson. Yeah. And had proper guidance.
Okay. So earlier you came to me, you were disturbed like what to do, CBTA or what. So how you chose to vote compared to CBTA when he explained? What is the difference you find?
I learned that VORT is more challenging, but part of driving is being able to embrace the challenge.
Okay. And with number of lessons, how did you find they were? How much you required, or he took more than required, or it was
I had
balanced?
about 5 or 6 lessons,
Yeah.
and they were very helpful. After each lesson, I made significant improvement.
And most of the students are worried about the slow speed maneuvers, basically the 3-point turn and the reverse parallel parking. So after going through those tasks with him in training, how did you feel? The confidence and in the exam?
Yeah, my confidence really improved. As long as you follow the simple steps, it should be pretty easy.
Okay. Thank you very much, Akshat, for having me. And best
Thank
luck
you.
and safe driving.